I think I'm losing myself tonight over you. Oh, oh. I never wanted to do you wrong, babe. Oh, oh, oh. I know that loving ain't easy, but I thought that you would complete me. Fighting over something, we really fighting over nothing. Oh, yeah.
What is up, you guys? It's currently July 11th, 6 a.m. in the morning. It's officially move out day. It's early and we've been moving some stuff already downstairs to my car, but as you guys can see, like kind of down here, there's a lot of things happening right now. Kia's stuff is here, my stuff is here, and then my sister and Reg are gonna come a little bit later to kind of just help me take down like the TV and just any of like the other bigger things that we have in the apartment. But yeah, we got to be out of here by 12 p.m. so there's a lot of stuff to do, so let's get into today's moving vlog slash, I don't know what this vlog is gonna be yet, but this is the official move out day, so let's get it.
I think I'm losing myself tonight over you. Oh, oh. I never wanted to do you wrong, babe. Oh, oh, oh.
Moving out, calls for some Starbucks for my workers.
I got over something. We really fighting over nothing. Oh, yeah. I just wanna do you good.
Got one for me, one for Kia, Space and Red. Moving out of this bitch, let's get it.
Always gonna fight me for nothing. Is this your idea of cuffing? Baby, gotta show me something. You can't try to tell me I don't know.
Alright, you guys, so everything is, well, for the most part, everything's packed up and ready to go. And yeah, we're saying bye to the studio loft. It's definitely been, in my opinion, it's definitely been a journey. And you know, even though things didn't really like pan out here the way we wanted it to and stuff, it's definitely still, it's gonna be something we're gonna look back on and be like, you know, it's definitely gonna be a good laugh. So, you know, we're, like I said, we're just packing all like the little stuff up. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys what it looks like real quick. See, everything is wiped out. That thing was like always there, so just got left that. But yeah, it's definitely surreal kind of seeing it empty. And it's kind of surreal just seeing it like, yo, we actually made this work for a bit. Like I said, it's definitely a bittersweet moment, but you know, on to better things. So we're just packing up a couple things here, and then yeah, we're gonna get on over to my sister's house. So yeah. Oh my goodness, it's so lovely. Why not?
I don't know. I mean, yeah, it's our own place or whatever, but like you said, on to bigger and better things. There's something funny.
Alright, what is up, you guys? Good morning. It is the next day. As you guys saw from the vlog clips, we moved out of the studio loft yesterday, so we're currently back at my sister's house. If any of you guys are regulars here on this channel, you guys are probably like a little confused, so I wanted to take this moment in this vlog right here to just kind of check in with you guys and just kind of like talk about what's been going on. My girlfriend and I decided to cut the lease at the studio loft apartment short. As you guys know, the space was super small, and even though it worked out for me, I feel like as you guys can imagine, it's really hard to live in such a small confined space with 2 people. So with that being said, we decided to again just like end the lease early. We were like, you know what, like F it, let's just pay the early termination fee and let's try and find a new apartment. So if you guys have been keeping up with the vlogs, like I said, you would have seen in the last vlog that we viewed this really nice apartment, and me and Kia really liked it and stuff. But with that being said, they don't have any availability for that specific like apartment unit until the end of the year, like around like October through December is what they like told us. We were kind of in a bind because we were like, damn, like we really want to move out. Fuck, like where are we gonna go? And if you guys have been following me for a really long time, you would know that I actually lived at my sister's house for a while. Like if you guys know, like if you guys are just regular to the vlog, like you guys will know my sister and my brother-in-law own a really nice big house. They have more than enough space, and they were kind enough to let Kia and I move in for a bit and just kind of be cozy here while we try and find our new like ideal apartment for the 2 of us. Yeah, we're super thankful that my sister let us like come back for a bit just to again kind of take our time with the whole apartment hunting process, because if any of you guys have your own apartment, you know how hard it is to find an apartment that ticks all your boxes. Because not even gonna lie, like Kia and I are very specific with how we like our things, so we don't want to compromise on an apartment just because we were like in a bind because we had to move out by like yesterday. So with all that being said, we are back at my sister's house, and yeah, I'm like, in a weird way, it kind of feels nice to be back because it feels nice to like be back with family and stuff. But you know, it's just a temporary situation that we are again super thankful for and stuff. Alright you guys, so this is currently what the upstairs loft in my sister's place looks like. As you guys can see, we have a lot of things to again just like sort through and put away, but I purposely left it like this because I really wanted to show you guys just the reality of what moving out is like. Like honestly, it's shit. Like as you guys can see, everything is all over the floor. We just have like a lot of things to put away and stuff, and there's a ton more like in the room as well. And this is the current state of the room. You guys probably can catch an idea as to how my room used to look like before, but I feel like we need to organize this current room. Oh man, this is so, I don't know, I'm just so disgraceful. Like the state of this room is so trash. But like I was saying, I think the design of the room is kind of gonna change a little bit, only because even though we are here for a little bit of time, I still want it to be a functional for 2 people. Obviously it's not just me anymore, so we gotta finesse the closet situation, and then again we just gotta make it a little bit more cozy for again 2 people. Morning. Made your coffee. Yeah. I gotta get my mind right, cause I can't find you here on my best side. Out there living in your best life. Yeah, in your best life. So tell me things I don't wanna hear, cause I don't think that Alright you guys, and the closet is done. So this is what my side looks like. I have the left side, and then Kia has the right side. Definitely not the most aesthetic thing in the world to show, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys a little update. And low-key, I was definitely stressing out because I was like, yo, our shit's not gonna fit. But glad to my surprise, everything fits, and we have a ton of space still. Kind of have to sort some things out still, but for the most part it's fairly done. And then the room cleared out. We stripped the bed because we're gonna change it to all white vibes. There was a ton of stuff here, but yeah, we're gonna hit a vacuum real quick and then start moving things in. And then like I said, I will show you guys the official room makeover reveal towards the end, so stay tuned for that. Alright you guys, it's been hours since we've been working on this, yeah? Okay, so the room is done. As you can see, like it's kind of behind me. Like low-key, it turned out really nice.
I think we did a really good job.
I think so too. I think it, like, if any of you guys have been here ever since the like starting of my channel, when I lived here before, I think this room setup looks better than my old room setup.
It was my idea.
Wow, whatever.
I can show you all the finer things, babe. Put your feelings to the side and swallow up all your pride. It's the finer things, babe. The way you feeling is and see you. But you know I like it when you panties see through. So shoddy once you come right in, don't be going around telling your friends. I know she know to keep it on the D-Lo, D-Lo. Getting high like a C-Note, C-Note. I'm crazy like I'm C-Lo, C-Lo. Yeah, yeah, little Miss Shawty coming into the party.
Alright, what's up you guys? I'm gonna start driving, so if my camera falls down then I don't know what to say. But basically right now we're heading out, we're gonna run some errands. Oh shit!
I tried to
grab it. Did you get
Sorry.
it? There you go.
I'll just hold it for you like that. How about that?
Oh baby, you're doing me dirty with the angle right now.
I'm trying.
You got me looking like this. Do it better. There.
I'm trying.
There, okay. Yeah, so like I said, we're fuck, what was I saying?
We're going out.
Okay, we're going on a trip. Okay, for real. Alright, so we're heading out now. We have to return the internet modem from the other apartment, and then
Did you grab that?
Yeah, it's in the back.
Oh, okay.
And then we're gonna we want to hit up Target for a couple bits, and then since we're gonna be in that area, we're gonna hit up it's not even one of my, it's my personal favorite thrift store. Kind of see what's out there. So just because we're already out, and then afterwards we're gonna go to Trader Joe's because it's Sunday. Well,
What are you doing?
What? I'm creeping up because we're not on the line.
Oh.
That's how the light turns red.
We're over the line.
No, we're not. Oh yeah, we are.
Yeah, my arms are hurting by the way.
Sorry. Sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah, it's fresh too.
Alright guys, midday snack. Got a spam musubi. You already know what it is. Oh, I never showed you guys this, but I got a new wallet from Comme des Garçons. That's what it looks like. And then got this Dole Whip. This looks super good. You even put little gummy bears on it too, which is nice. And there's Lincoln Moy at the top. Did you get your picture?
I did. We'll see. That one looks pretty nice.
Oh, nice. Yo, so we're gonna eat this and then hit up the thrift store after. So.
Gas me, how we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's going.
Alright, you guys, you already know what it is. Value Village, Tequila, like South Center area. This Value Village right here is definitely where it's at. It's one of my favorites, if not my favorite. I always find this Value Village always has solid oversized blazers. If you've been like keeping up with my fashion videos, you would know I've been kind of like off of that lately, but you know, with like my new real estate job and stuff, I just feel like they definitely have to come through with some more like sophisticated looks, you know, and an oversized blazer is definitely where it's at. I have one in my hand right now. Okay, I'm gonna keep shopping because it literally goes all the way down there, and there's just like hella stuff here. So we're gonna go shopping. So yeah, I never got a chance to show you guys my outfit, but currently at the thrift store, so figure why not. The hat is from the Merch Casual Flex Cap. Shirt is of course the Everlane Heavyweight Premium Tee. These are some Zara Essential jeans in like the wash black color, and then on feet we got the Air Jordan 1 Court Purples. So yeah.
What you said, they were like Yeezy.
Yeah.
Yeezy, right?
You like this spot too, yeah, dude.
I do. Last time we came like a few weeks ago, it was my first time here, and I spent like $60.
Which is a lot.
Which is a lot at a thrift store.
Yeah.
Like.
The fitting rooms aren't open, so I'll just show you guys here. I got an oversized navy blue wool blazer, and then I got this like oversized just blue long sleeve, kind of like a button-up shirt, but then I plan to wear it with like a top underneath and then some trousers and then maybe like some loafers or something. Pretty good. Yeah, I really like this. I've been looking for a lighter blue color like this. Okay, I'm super happy with these.
Doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say?
Alright you guys, and that is it for the vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed and you kind of like understand as to like what's going on right now, because I feel like I tried my best to explain it, but you know, sometimes it can like kind of get lost in translation. But nonetheless, again, hopefully you enjoyed the vlog. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you enjoyed the room makeover, definitely again be sure to comment that stuff down below. I love hearing from you guys. But today is Sunday, so it's actually like 5:30 right now. I got a new video going up at 6, so I gotta kind of handle that, and then we're gonna eat dinner and stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next one.